General knowledge for all competitive exams. Topic: Inventions and inventors. 1. Who invented the waterbed? A. Nellie Dickinson. B. Neil Arnott. C. Edwin Howard Armstrong. D. Nicholas Operaut. The correct option is B. Neil Arnott. 2. Who invented the wireless remote control? A. Frank Niso. B. Robert Adler. C. Ami Argand. D. James Watt. The correct option is B. Robert Adler. Who invented computer? A. James Watt. B. Mark Kemp. C. Mary Anderson. D. Charles Babbage. The correct option is D. Charles Babbage. 4. Washing machine is invented by A. Alva John Fisher. B. J. J. Thomson. C. Ernest Rutherford. D. John Dalton. The correct answer is option A. Alva John Fisher. 5. Who invented mobile phone? A. Charles Augustin de Coulomb. B. Isaac Newton. C. George Simon Ohm. D. Martin Cooper. The correct answer is option D. Martin Cooper. 6. Who invented the first navigable submarine? A. Michael Faraday. B. Thomas Edison. C. Henry Becquerel. D. Cornelius Drebbel. The correct answer is option D. Cornelius Drebbel. 7. Who invented the first practical pneumatic tyre? A. John Boyd Dunlop. B. Marie Sklodowska-Curie. C. Max Planck. D. Heinrich Rudolf Hertz. The correct answer is option A. John Boyd Dunlop. 8. Who invented the telephone handset? A. Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. B. Niels Bohr and Rutherford. C. Enrico Fermi. D. Cyril Duquette. The correct answer is option D. Cyril Duquette. 9. Who invented dual cyclone bagless vacuum cleaner, incorporating the principles of cyclonic separation? A. Enrico Fermi. B. J. J. Thomson. C. James Dyson. D. John Dalton. The correct answer is option C. James Dyson. 10. Who invented roll film? A. J. Presper Eckert. B. Kenneth Kodak. C. Matsuhiro Fuji. D. George Eastman. The correct answer is option D. George Eastman. 11. Who invented the FM radio? A. Edwin Howard Armstrong. B. Michael Faraday. C. Albert Einstein. D. Isaac Newton. The correct answer is option A. Edwin Howard Armstrong. 12. Who invented the windshield wiper blade? A. Mary Anderson. B. Robert Adler. C. Kolos Operaut. D. Vasily Andreev. The correct option is D. Vasily Andreev. 13. In 1901, who was it that first sent radio signals across Atlantic Ocean? A. Marconi. B. Niels Bohr and Rutherford. C. Enrico Fermi. D. Max Planck. The correct answer is option A. Marconi. 14. James Dewar invented what in 1872? A. Computer. B. Fax. C. Watch. D. Vacuum or thermos flask. The correct answer is option D. Vacuum or thermos flask. 15. The Wright brothers made aircraft, but what was their other job? A. Bookseller. B. Silk manufacturer. C. Import and export business. D. Bicycle manufacturers. The correct answer is option D. Bicycle manufacturers. 16. Who in 1643 invented the first barometer? A. Henry Doherty. B. Jethro Tull. C. Dennis Gabor. D. Evangelista Torricelli. The correct answer is option D. Evangelista Torricelli. 17. Who invented the modern digital computer? A. John Vincent Atanasoff. B. Charles Babbage. C. William George Armstrong. D. Brian Butter. The correct answer is option A. John Vincent Atanasoff. 18. Who invented insulin? A. Banting, Charles Best. B. Alexander. C. James Simpson. D. Waxman. The correct answer is option A. Banting, Charles Best. 19. Felix Hoffmann, the inventor who created Bayer aspirin, was born in which country? A. America. B. Japan. C. Germany. D. France. The correct answer is option C. Germany. 20. Who did invent piano? A. Bartolomeo Cristofori. B. Nils Gustav Dalén. C. Harry Coover. D. William Cullen. The correct answer is option A. Bartolomeo Cristofori. 21. Who invented the video game console? A. Arthur Wythe. B. Röntgen. C. Ralph H. Baer. D. Henry Becquerel. The correct answer is option C. Ralph H. Baer. 22. Who invented X-ray? A. Isomar. B. Alexander. C. Albert Einstein. D. Röntgen. The correct answer is option D. Röntgen. 23. Who invented the disposable coffee filter and founded a company still bearing her name? A. Tata. B. Melita Benz. C. Thomas Newcomen. D. Rudolf Diesel. The correct answer is option B. Melita Benz. 24. Name the scientist who had discovered that some molecules have mirror images. A. Louis Pasteur. B. Eli Whitney. C. Stephen Hawking. D. George Washington Carver. The correct answer is option A, Louis Pasteur. 25. Photophone and telephone is invented by A. Alexander Graham Bell. B. Isaac Newton. C. Mary Anderson. D. Thomas Edison. The correct answer is option A, Alexander Graham Bell. If you like my videos, you could subscribe to my channel and get the notification of newly uploaded videos. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.